And this is my very last video. And subscribe, please. Because in the comments why I'm quitting YouTube, because Roblox has a problem. Roblox in Philippines in July 4. Roblox in July 4 will be deleted forever. So I'm quitting YouTube forever too. Yep, that's true. But I don't know if I'm sure if Roblox is deleted. Comment down below if Roblox is fake on YouTube.